Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, we are going to create a photo transition of Girl on the Mirror. And if you are interested in this video guys, just keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell for you to notify every time that I upload new tutorial videos. So, ang una natin gagawin guys is gawa muna tayo ng lyrics sa PicsArt. So, open lang natin si PicsArt and then i-add natin yung mismong image na gagamitin natin, which is isa-select natin siya dun sa photos. So, select lang natin yung first image and then mag-add tayo ng text and then i-type natin yung first lyrics. So, ang first lyrics natin is I woke up every day. And then, pag na-text or pag na-type na natin, maglagay lang tayo ng design or mga font size, font color, and depende sa inyo guys kung ano yung font na gagamitin nyo and ano yung kulay na gagamitin nyo. Basta nakadepende yan sa inyo kung anong gusto ninyong design. And pagkatapos nyan, isi-save lang natin siya. So bago nyo siya i-save guys, siguraduhin nyo muna na yung lyrics na ginawa natin is nakikita or nare-read ng ayos. So pwesto natin guys yung proper position ng lyrics para mabasa ng mga viewers natin. And then pwede nating lagyan ng mga stroke or outline para mas maganda yung lyrics natin. And then pwede na natin siyang i-save guys. So i-tap lang natin yung download button dun sa taas, which is para ma-save yung ating image. So lipat tayo guys sa next image, and then pag na-select na natin yung next image, mag-add na tayo ng text. So on second lyrics natin guys is like hello beautiful. So i-type lang natin, and then pagtapos natin i-type, maglagay tayo ng design or i-resize muna natin para mag-fit siya dun sa mismong image natin. By the way guys, yung size ng ating image is 9:16 para sukat na siya dun sa resolution na gagawin natin sa TikTok. So reposition lang natin and then lagyan natin ng font size and font style. So ang font style natin guys is nakadepende rin sa inyo. So sa akin is permanent marker. So pwede nyo namang baguhin kung anong font style, and then baguhin natin yung color. So select natin yung red, and then maglagay naman tayo ng stroke, which is yung medyo blue para mas makita yung outline natin. And then pag natapos natin siya guys, lagyan ng outline and ng design, pwede na rin natin siyang i-save. Download din lang natin or i-tap lang natin yung download button sa taas. So i-continue lang natin guys. Punta tayo sa third image and sa third lyrics. So ang third lyrics natin is cause this world is so crazy. So i-type din lang natin and then paulit-ulit lang yung design natin. So tandaan nyo dapat guys yung design na ginawa nyo or yung font style or font color na ginamit nyo, and also yung stroke na ginamit nyo. So para mas mabilis guys, i-fast forward na lang natin and then i-continue lang natin hanggang dun sa last image. And by the way guys, naka-display naman dun sa screen natin kung anong yung lyrics. So yung fourth lyrics natin guys is and it can bring you down. Then fifth lyrics natin is you're too short, too fat. And then sixth lyrics natin is too skinny, hey. Then seventh lyrics natin guys is well excuse me if. And then last lyrics natin is I think that I'm pretty. So tuloy-tuloy lang natin siya gawin guys. Same design and font color and then font style and also yung stroke. And then pag natapos natin yan guys, punta tayo sa CapCut and then create tayo ng new project. So pagka-create natin ng new project, select natin yung first image, which is wala pa siyang lyrics, and then add natin. And then next naman natin guys is tanggalin muna natin yung watermark. And then next is baguhin natin yung format to 9:16, which is yung size ng mismong image natin. And then mag-add tayo ng audio, punta tayo sa extracted and then i-select natin yung audio. Import sound only natin and then i-adjust natin siya dun sa mismong unahan ng image. And then next naman guys is i-add natin yung lyrics natin, which is yung image na ginawa natin kanina sa PicsArt. So i-select lang natin guys yung 8 image. So yung first image natin hanggang dun sa last lyrics, which is yung last picture. And then, pag na-select na natin, pindutin lang natin yung add. So, shoutout nga pala ulit kay Rose Valerie Rapal dahil kanyang image ulit yung ginamit ko. And you can follow her guys on her TikTok account. So, link on the description below. So, next natin guys, pag na-add is, i-adjust na natin yung time ng image. So, yung time ng first image guys is 5.7 second. And then, time ng second image is 1.7 second. And then, third image is 1.9 second. And then, fourth image is 1.8 second. And then, fifth image is 1.2. And then, sixth image is 1.8. Seventh image is 1.8. And then, eighth image is 1.1. And then, the last image is 1.6. So, i-adjust na lang natin guys. So, by the way, naka-display naman yung time or yung duration ng bawat image dyan sa screen. So, follow nyo na lang yung duration ng bawat image. And then, pag natapos natin guys, i-adjust. Next naman natin gagawin is lagay tayo ng animation. So, first animation natin guys. So, punta lang tayo sa animation and then iselect natin yung combo. And then, iselect natin yung mismong animation which is ang animation ng first image guys is distort right. And then, yung second image natin guys, ang animation niya is pendulum 1. So, hanapin lang natin siya dun sa mga animation. So, medyo nasa gitna siya. And then, yung third image natin guys is pendulum 2. So, by the way, naka-display naman yan dun sa screen. So, follow nyo lang. And then, fourth image natin is pendulum 1 ulit. Then, fifth image is pendulum 2. Sixth image is pendulum 1. Seventh image is pendulum 2. Then, 8th image is pendulum 1. And then, 9th image is pendulum 2. And para mas mabilis guys, i-pass forward na lang natin yung paglalagay ng animation. So, I hope hindi kayo malito and nandyan naman sa screen yung animation mismo. Ilalagay ko na lang. So, pag natapos natin guys maglagay ng animation, i-double check lang natin yung animation natin. So, yung first, punta tayo sa first image guys para ma-double check natin. So, first image natin is distort right. Then, second image is pendulum 1, pendulum 2. So, pag na-check na natin siya guys at tama at kompleto. So, by the way guys, pwede nyo namang baguhin yung animation sa kung anong animation ang gusto nyo. And then, next naman natin guys is maglagay tayo ng mismong effects. So, punta tayo sa effects and then select natin yung basic. And then, hanapin lang natin yung mismong effects na gagamitin natin which is blur. And then, i-adjust natin siya hanggang dun sa dulo ng first image. So, i-adjust lang natin siya na mismong mag-blur yung mismong image, yung first image natin. And then, add ulit tayo ng effects. And then, punta naman tayo sa mood. And then, iselect natin yung gold dust. And then, i-adjust natin siya hanggang dun sa dulo ng last image. And then, next naman natin guys is i-replay muna natin siya. And then, tingnan natin kung ano magiging resulta. And then, pagtapos natin siya guys i-replay, maglagay naman tayo ng transition. So, select lang natin yung mismong gitna ng dalawang image. And then, select natin yung animation which is black fade. And then, i-apply natin to all. And then, itry natin ulit i-replay yung mismong ginawa natin. And then, pagtapos nyan guys, pwede na nating i-export as video. And pwede na natin siya guys i-post sa ating TikTok and i-share sa ating iba't ibang social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So, kayo na yung bahala guys kung saan nyo i-share or i-post yung mismong video. And for the result of this video guys, try lang natin ulit i-replay. So, don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends.